In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a sales invoice in manager.io. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to open manager.io, and then over here on the left, if you are not seeing the sales invoices tab, you want to go to customize, you want to find the sales invoices, check mark them, and click on update at the bottom of your page. Now, in here, you want to go to sales invoices, and you want to click on new sales invoice. In here, you want to go and select the issue date as well as the due date over here. And of course, then you can select the reference and of course the days as well. So I'm just going to go and make it net 10 days. And the reference, I'm just going to leave it empty. Then here you want to select your customer and of course the billing address. So I'm just going to type in sample address 1 over here. Of course, you want to type in the real one. And then here you have a description, which as well is optional. Then you want to select your account and then the quantity as well as the unit price. Here you can see your totals, and of course if you click on this button you can add more things as well. Then here you can add lines with this button too, or of course multiple if you want to, just like this, and you can delete them with this click of this button over here. Then down here of course you have like a bunch of different things you can add. Of course you can customize your invoice like this, you can add line numbers, you can add discounts, of course if you want to, rounding, etc. So there's a bunch of different things you can add. If you need them, you can go ahead and check these and they're gonna get applied inside the settings of your invoice. Okay, now whenever you do that, you of course can add an image as well if you need it, and then click on create at the bottom, and there we go, it's going to create a sales invoice in manager.io. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.